Hi, everyone. Welcome back to All About That Fringe. I'm Karen, and it's been a while. I say that at the beginning of almost every recording I've made over the past several months. It is what it is, and I'm not going to start this one with an apology. I will say it's good to be here, and I want to update you on a couple of little things, just little things. One, um, this that I'm wearing right now is Lady Latte by Belle Tress, and it is in the really cool color root beer. There's nothing wrong with your computer. Root beer float blonde. I'm gonna give you a better look at this. It's kind of gorgeous. It's a mono top. You can't really see that part as well as I'd like, just because of how the lighting is sort of coming from the window behind me and the light here. But I assure you, it's a full mono top and it's really comfortable and gorgeous. She is a nice bob. It says that it's got a little bit of an angle to it. That's not that big of an angle, to be honest with you. And so I don't know, I guess it's a little bit shorter in back, but not by much. So just sort of a regular old bob, nice Belle Tress, heat-friendly fibers. I'm kind of, oopsie, now I just created some flyaways, so I have to use my handy dandy squirt bottle here. I just clean that up a little bit. There we go. If you don't have one of these, it's like the best thing since sliced bread. It's better than sliced bread. It gives you just like this little mist of water. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know that I had a bunch of things posted on the All About That Fringe public page that are from my personal collection that I'm reselling. I am going to just really focus in on the things that I love to wear and wear all the time. And I want to release these other ones for other people to enjoy. And I do need to make some of my money back because I spent a little bit of money on collecting some things that I thought I might like. So I have lowered the prices really, really, really low. And I'm going to do like a little, I don't know, everybody else calls them flash sales, but like a special sale. And I'm going to be doing it here on this channel. I'm going to do it as a live. I think that's how it works. I'm going to try to figure all that out and at least show you the pieces better than you can see them in, the static photos. Although I think the photos are pretty good. Sometimes I guess it helps to just like hold it up and see it. So I'll do that for you. And I'm going to do one more blast of a sale and really, really good prices. So hang around for that. And hopefully you'll find something you like. I've got some funky colors. I've got some blondes. I've got a bunch of auburny colors. I've got short ones, long ones, curly ones, straight ones, a whole bunch of different things to choose from. So I will show you that soon. And what else? I don't know. I hope that you're doing okay. And I hope as you're heading into, seasons that involve, being around maybe family or not being around family, that you find that there's peace in your life and joy. So I wish you joy and peace and good hair days. Take care.